Everybody wants to eat healthier, without giving up the good stuff. But let's be honest. The idea of healthy eating can sometimes feel overwhelming or even a little bit boring. We all have our favorite comfort foods, those snacks and treats that make us happy after a long day or bring friends and family together. The good news? You don't have to give up flavor, fun, or satisfaction to make better choices. In fact, with a few clever swaps, you can enjoy the foods you love while giving your body the nutrients it craves. Imagine sitting around the kitchen table with friends, sharing colorful, delicious meals that are as good for your health as they are for your taste buds. That's what these healthy swaps are all about. Making small changes that add up to big benefits, without sacrificing the joy of eating. What if you could swap your go-tos for genius alternatives? Picture yourself at the grocery store, standing in front of the shelves, trying to decide between your usual picks and something new. Or maybe you're at home, looking at your plate and wondering if there's a way to make your meal just a little bit healthier. The truth is, healthy eating doesn't have to mean a total overhaul of your diet. Sometimes it's as simple as making a smart swap, choosing a different snack, a new side dish, or a better dessert. These small changes can make a huge difference over time, helping you feel more energized, support your heart, and even improve your mood. And the best part? You don't have to be a nutrition expert or spend hours in the kitchen to make it happen. Here are 4 doctor-approved food swaps you never saw coming. These aren't just random tips, they're backed by real doctors who see the impact of food choices every day. They know that the best changes are the ones you can actually stick with, and that taste and convenience matter just as much as nutrition. So, whether you're looking to boost your energy, support your heart, or just feel better overall, these swaps are designed to fit into your real life. Ready to discover some new favorites? Let's dive in. First up, love potato chips? You're definitely not alone. Potato chips are crunchy, salty, and totally addictive, but they're also loaded with unhealthy fats and empty calories, which can leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. If you find yourself reaching for a bag of chips during movie night, or as an afternoon pick-me-up, there's a better option that doctors love: roasted chickpeas. They're crunchy, tasty, and loaded with fiber. Roasted chickpeas are easy to make at home. Just toss canned or cooked chickpeas with a little olive oil and your favorite spices, then bake until crispy. You can go classic with a sprinkle of sea salt, or get creative with flavors like smoked paprika, garlic powder, or even a dash of chili for some heat. Not only do roasted chickpeas satisfy that craving for something crunchy, but they also pack a punch of plant-based protein and fiber, which help keep you full and support healthy digestion. Plus, they're naturally gluten-free and can be made in big batches for easy snacking all week long. Your taste buds and your heart will thank you. Unlike traditional chips, which can raise your cholesterol and blood pressure over time, chickpeas are heart-healthy and support stable blood sugar. They're also a great source of vitamins and minerals like iron, magnesium, and folate. So next time you're craving a salty snack, reach for roasted chickpeas instead. You'll get all the crunch and flavor you love, with none of the guilt. Swap number 2. Still using white rice? White rice is a staple in many kitchens, but it's high in simple carbs and low in nutrients. If you're looking to lighten up your meals without sacrificing texture or taste, there's a simple swap that doctors recommend: cauliflower rice. Make the switch to cauliflower rice. Cauliflower rice is made by pulsing fresh cauliflower florets in a food processor until they resemble grains of rice. It's incredibly versatile. You can sauté it with a little olive oil, steam it, or even microwave it for a quick side dish. The best part? It takes on the flavors of whatever you pair it with, making it a perfect base for stir-fries, curries, burrito bowls, and more. It's light, easy to make, and gives you vitamins without the starch overload. Cauliflower is packed with vitamin C, vitamin K, and antioxidants that support your immune system and help fight inflammation. Unlike white rice, which can spike your blood sugar, cauliflower rice is low in carbs and calories, making it a great choice for anyone looking to manage their weight or blood sugar levels. Plus, it's a sneaky way to add more veggies to your day, perfect for picky eaters or anyone trying to eat more plant-based meals. Plus, it soaks up sauce like a champ. Whether you love a spicy curry, a tangy stir-fry, or a creamy sauce, cauliflower rice holds up beautifully and delivers all the flavor you crave. Try it as a base for your favorite dishes, or mix it with herbs and lemon for a fresh, zesty side. You might be surprised at how satisfying and delicious this simple swap can be. Number 3. Ice cream cravings? We've all been there. After a long day, nothing sounds better than a cold, creamy treat. But traditional ice cream is loaded with sugar and saturated fat, which can leave you feeling sluggish and spike your blood sugar. Instead, doctors recommend reaching for frozen Greek yogurt bars. They're creamy, packed with protein, and way lower in sugar. Greek yogurt bars are made with real yogurt, which means you get the benefits of probiotics for gut health, plus a boost of protein to keep you satisfied. Many brands use real fruit for natural sweetness, so you can enjoy dessert without the sugar crash. You can even make your own at home by mixing Greek yogurt with berries and a touch of honey, then freezing in molds for a custom treat. Dessert just got a healthy upgrade. Sharing a plate of Greek yogurt bars with friends or family is a great way to enjoy something sweet together, without the guilt. These bars are perfect for hot summer days, after-dinner treats, or even as a midday snack. And because they're lower in sugar and higher in protein than regular ice cream, they help keep your energy steady and your cravings in check. It's a win-win for your taste buds and your health. Last one? Love soda? Doctors say, go for sparkling water with a splash of citrus. Soda is one of the biggest sources of added sugar in the modern diet, and drinking it regularly can increase your risk of weight gain, diabetes, and heart disease. But if you love the fizzy, refreshing feel of soda, you don't have to give it up completely. Sparkling water is a fantastic alternative that delivers all the bubbles, with none of the sugar or artificial ingredients. You'll ditch the sugar rush, but keep the fizzy fun. Add a squeeze of fresh lemon, lime, or orange for a burst of natural flavor, or toss in a few berries or cucumber slices for a spa-like twist. Sparkling water is hydrating, calorie-free, and can help you cut back on sugary drinks without feeling deprived. Plus, it's perfect for social gatherings. Raise a glass with friends and enjoy the refreshing taste, knowing you're making a choice your body will thank you for. There you go. 4 genius swaps straight from the pros. Upgrade your snacks, meals, and treats. No sacrifice required. These simple changes can help you feel more energized, support your health goals, and make eating well something you actually look forward to. Remember, healthy eating isn't about perfection. It's about progress. Every smart swap you make is a step toward a healthier, happier you. So stock your kitchen with these doctor-approved favorites and get creative with your meals. You might just discover new foods you love and inspire your friends and family to join you on the journey. Your future self just high-fived you. Every time you make a healthy swap, you're investing in your long-term well-being. You're building habits that will pay off for years to come and showing yourself that healthy choices can be delicious, satisfying, and fun. So go ahead, give yourself a high five and celebrate every small victory. You've got this.